Hello guys, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys my easiest minced beef sauce recipe, so stay tuned and watch till the end. The ingredients will definitely be needing some minced meat. Any minced beef of your choice will do, thyme, minced ginger, minced garlic, paprika powder, salt, black pepper, seasoning cube, and in the bowl I've got 1 large red onion, 10 fresh tomatoes, 2 red bell peppers, basil, and some spring onions. The list of all the ingredients will be in the description box, so check that out guys. I'll be blending half of the onion with the fresh tomatoes and the bell peppers, and the rest of the onion I'll be sauteing with the minced meat. Ahead now to chop the onion, the fresh tomatoes, the bell peppers, and the spring onion behind the scene. In the blender I've got the fresh tomatoes, the bell peppers, half of the onion, and the spring onion. So I'm just going to blend this into a paste. Drizzle about 4 tablespoons of oil into a pan that is already heating up on medium heat. Then go ahead and add the remaining chopped onion. Stir fry your onions for a couple of seconds. Add in your garlic paste, then stir fry for a few seconds. Add in your minced ginger, then fry for a few seconds as well. Then go ahead and grab your minced beef and add into the pan. Oops guys, I just realized that I wasn't recording when I added in the minced beef, but that's what you get when you're filming. No worries guys, nothing major happens. We can all talk ourselves through it. Grab your salt and add into the pan. Get your black pepper and add into the pan. Add in your paprika powder. Add in your thyme, your seasoning cube, and mix all to combine the amazing flavors. Fry for about 5 minutes until it's crumbling. Yes guys, the truth about this recipe is that you can get this ready in less than 30 minutes. This is my own easy version of bolognese sauce. Yes, I encourage you to try this recipe and leave me a comment down below what your thoughts are. Grab your tomatoes and pepper mixture and pour into the pan. Stir to combine. Allow the sauce to simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes on low heat. And stir from time to time. So guys, while the sauce is getting ready, you can go ahead now and prepare your side dish. You can have this sauce with pasta, you can have it with boiled rice. Look at that. We're just going to sprinkle a handful of chopped basil just to add a little bit more color. And our minced meat sauce or bolognese sauce is all ready to be served. Give it a good stir, and that is it. This is just the perfect consistency for me when it comes to kids, but if you like it a little bit thicker, you can allow it to cook for a little bit longer. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and for those that haven't subscribed, if you like my content, please subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.